This video will be your guide on how to use Lidl Plus app in Finland. Shopping at Lidl in Finland is super easy. Here's how to use it. You just need to download the Lidl Plus from App Store or Google Play Store, or even you can open it in your browser. I've opened it in my browser right here, and as you can see, the language is in Finland. Register with your email and phone number. Let me just translate it since I cannot understand. Anyways, open the app before shopping. Activate your weekly digital coupons, browse special orders, and check out exclusive Lidl Plus deals. At checkout, open the app and scan your digital loyalty card. You get instant discounts, digital receipts, and sometimes scratch cards for bonus prizes. And that's it on how to use Lidl in Finland.